In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly connect your GitHub account to Discord. Whether you're a developer looking to enhance collaboration or simply want to share your coding journey with friends, this integration is super useful. Let's get started. First, let's navigate to Discord. For those who might be new, Discord is a popular platform designed for creating communities and facilitating communication, often through servers comprised of channels dedicated to different topics or interests. In this context, it's particularly useful for developers working together on projects. You'll want to ensure that you're logged into Discord and can access the settings for your account. Once you're inside Discord, direct your focus toward the bottom left section of the interface where you'll see your username. Adjacent to your name is an icon resembling a gear. This is the settings button you're looking for. Clicking it will take you to the user settings page, a hub for customizing your Discord experience. In the user settings, keep an eye on the navigation panel on the left. You're going to look for the Connections tab. This is where Discord offers the capability to link various accounts, providing an enriched synergy between your favorite apps. Once you've clicked on Connections, you'll notice a variety of services you can connect, like YouTube, Twitch, and of course, our focus today, GitHub. Now, why connect GitHub to Discord? By doing this, you can automatically share your coding progress, recent commits, and updates to your followers or team members on Discord, streamlining communication and collaboration. It's incredibly convenient for developers who work on open source projects or for anyone who wants to keep their community in the loop about project milestones. On the Connections page, locate GitHub and give it a click. This will prompt a new window where you'll need to sign into your GitHub account. Make sure you're prepared with your GitHub login details. Once you've entered your credentials and logged in, GitHub may ask for permission to link to Discord. This is perfectly normal. Approve the connection, and your GitHub account will now be successfully linked to your Discord. And just like that, you're done. You've linked GitHub to Discord, paving the way for more streamlined communications regarding your projects. This will enable you to share updates with your server effortlessly, allowing others to stay informed about your latest coding activities. If you encounter any issues while following these steps, double-check your credentials and ensure you're logged into the correct accounts. Each platform has its own support and help sections if additional assistance is needed. Thank you for following along, and I hope this connection makes your development journey even more dynamic and engaging. Happy coding!